In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of transforming this thumbnail background into these two distinct thumbnails by creating gradients that provide contrast to highlight the images of a mobile phone and a laptop. While you can find many pre-made color gradients by selecting a background color and scrolling down the left panel, I will demonstrate how to create a custom color gradient instead. First, I open Canva and duplicate my design to ensure I can easily restore it in case of any mistakes. Next, I select the background and click on the color. The current background color is circled for easy identification. Simply double-click on this color. Now, under the document colors, select the gradient option. Canva will automatically add a color to the gradient, but I will customize it with my preferred color. I choose a yellow color from the palette, which is now added to the right side of the design. However, I want the gradient color to be positioned in the top left corner of the canvas to create a contrasting background behind the laptop. To accomplish this, I will drag the black color button to the right side. By clicking the plus button, I can add more instances of the black color to increase its area and reduce the yellow background area. You have 5 options for the gradient direction, but I prefer to keep the yellow color in the top left to make the laptop visible. If I wanted the yellow gradient in the bottom right corner, I could move the yellow color to the extreme right side of the black color buttons. To enlarge the yellow gradient, I will add another color. I will copy the hex code of the yellow color and apply it to the newly added color, positioning it alongside the existing yellow color. For a gradual fade, I can transform this color into an intermediate shade, like red. You can adjust the transparency slider to create a transparent gradient effect on the background. Additionally, you can use the color picker to select your favorite color from any image, such as this shoe. You can also manually type in the hex color code of your choice to apply it as a gradient. As you can see, I have successfully added a custom gradient color to the upper left corner of the design. But what if you want to move the gradient color to the bottom left corner? Since Canva's gradient styles do not offer this option, please watch my other tutorial for guidance. You can find the video link in the description. Please appreciate my efforts to create this informative video by liking it and subscribe to the Dozro channel. Be sure to check my other tutorials.